moving on, the Supreme Court has pulled up the central probe agencies for not adequately responding to threat and harassment charges and complaints by judges. The top court, while hearing the Dhanbad Judge Death Case, observed that the CBI and the Intelligence Bureau are not helping judiciary adequately. The court observed that there is a new trend of maligning judges when favourable orders are not passed in high-profile cases. The bench further added that the judges are not just physically harassed, but mentally as well, though WhatsApp messages and through WhatsApp messages and social media posts. The court has issued notice to CBI that has taken over the probe. The Supreme Court also issued a notice to the centre on an earlier petition seeking protection for judges. The Supreme Court has sought status report from the states on steps being taken to provide security to the judges. Bhavtosh joining us live on the CBI probe in this case. So Bhavtosh, first of all, if you can bring us up to speed, with this case, the CBI has now taken over the probe. At a time like this, the Supreme Court has made some scathing observations on the central agencies of Intelligence Bureau and the CBI on how they seem to be unresponsive in cases and complaints against judges' harassment.
Well, as far as CBI is concerned, they have just taken over the investigation. Team of CBI officers, in fact, 20 persons from the Special Crime Unit have just reached Jharkhand, and they have taken over the case. They have re-registered the FIR, and team along with the CFSL officers have reached Dhanbad. In fact, yesterday they met the SIT officers and gone through the documents, including the case files and these diaries. They have, in fact, re-recorded the statement of key witnesses in this case. Now, the SIT, in fact, had recorded at least statements of 100 eyewitnesses as far as this case is concerned. CBI has also, in fact, had gone through the statements of the two prime accused in this case. As far as this case is concerned, only two accused in this case have been arrested. They have been identified as Rahul Verma, and there is another accused who have been arrested by the SIT. CBI has also gone through the statement of the auto rickshaw, whose auto rickshaw had in fact been stolen in this case. CBI had also said that if required, the two accused will be brought into the custody and they will be questioned by them. CBI has said that the CFSL personnel who are accompanying them will also record the statement of a panel of doctors who had conducted the postmortem of the additional district judge, and they will also recreate the crime scene. And they have said the recreation of the crime scene will help them understand what exactly happened with the district judge who in fact died.
All right, thanks for joining us, Bhavtosh, with the latest inputs.